Market daily visualization for June 10th, 2026. This is Ken at Tortoise Capital. So these are daily charts on SPY. So let's move our day price over one. Adjust the low of the day. That's our automatic get short. Adjusting the high of the day. Shifting the price. Where is that rascal? Oh, it's at the low. Sorry about that. There's the price at the low of the day. Adjusting the 30 period SMA, that's starting to roll over again. Adjusting the 5-day look back, the 10-day look back. The 30-day look back, the 150-day look back, adjusting the 10-day low, the 30-day low. This support level is still in play. We're going to adjust the 10-period regression. The top PSAR flip. Today the PSAR flipped for the RL30 source. Adjust the 20-period regression line that's lagged by 10 and the 120-day regression line that's lagged by 30. And that's what we're looking at right now. We got the double top in the RL10 has rolled over. The SMA 30 has rolled over decisively. And this is lookout below territory here. Not healthy at all. Quick look at semi trade today. Yep, that started with an early effort and then collapsed solidly all day. Nothing good there. Alcoa was just horrible. The energy sector was about the only one that looked any good. Here's Devon Energy, the intraday beauty. This is the Walmart. This is the flight to quality. And Coca-Cola. Let's look at McDonald's too. McDonald's, finished up for the day, but there were some moments when it was amazing. And then Coca-Cola had another strong day. That's your flight to quality. Coca-Cola, Walmart, McDonald's. See you in the chat room.